What is blockchain? A beginner's crash chain verification and Web3 tools for Africa. Experts are gaining from it. Heard of blockchain but still confused about how it works? Here's your crash course, in less than 90 seconds. Come and learn about blockchain. Blockchain is a digital system that stores information across many computers. Instead of one central authority, like a bank, blockchain is decentralized. This makes it secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. Digpeg Exchange helps verify blockchain projects to protect you from scams, rugs, and fake tokens. You can check liquidity before you swap, verify token safety, or even learn how it all works with Digpeg's blockchain training modules. Jump aboard with thousands diving into Africa's blockchain adventure. Visit digpegexchange.com today. Checkmark swap safely. Checkmark learn and earn with blockchain. Visit our website, www.digpegexchange.com.